Hey guys, so now I'm right here, and there's like this guy who had who has like this chair to let me uh or let me to let me if I misbehave, then I'm gonna be sitting in that chair, which I don't want. But not snowball. Not snowball. Yay! Snowball. Snowball. Snowball, look. Okay, that kitten silver is setting me somewhere. Okay, look. And look, that is the chair that I'm talking about. This chair. Look. This is the chair that if I misbehave. I mean, I just jumped in there by myself. So, what are you doing? Well, you told me that I misbehaved, so I got in there first. Okay. Only I put you. I stink. Here I go. And I'm gonna go take a bath. What? Sick. Really sick. I think this time she would let me go. Okay. Okay, I ride it on her. We will have food ready. Okay. Hopefully she likes me more than my snow cat or snowball or whatever you call it. Here's a life hack. You just press more and then go to this place. And that's how you get there fast. Fast but easy. I need to go to the hospital right away. I'm sick. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Oh god. Okay, I'm going to take some golden apples. Golden healing apples. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna stay here. Sit to heal. Okay, I'm good. Okay, Hitty will rest. Now, cat. Yay, we're finally gonna be good. Okay. Oh, hopefully. Okay. Pick up. And then I'm just gonna go to family and go. Where is she? Oh, she's decorating her new house. Hopefully he doesn't catch me. I don't want to sit in that stupid chair again. I hate this chair, literally. I'm gonna go up this ladder. Why is she doing this to me? Crap. Eat. I'm eating pizza. Yay, bowl. Yay. Ooh, pizza bowl. Get tomato sauce. Add cheese. And where's my pepperoni? Pepperoni, please. Veggie. I love vegetables. What? Why did you put it up there? Never mind, I could still add peppers. Okay, it's just floating. You know what? I'm just still gonna eat it. Eating a raw thing. Okay. I'm gonna eat it one more bite. Okay, I'm gonna go to food. And get so awesome. Okay, bye guys. See you guys later. Bye.